Well, Delhi should brace itself for electricity shortage, power shortage that may happen. First, it was Tata Power that began sending out text messages to the Delhi consumers over usage, asking them to use electricity judiciously, warning them of a shortage of coal at the thermal power stations. Now, the Chief Minister of Delhi has written to the Prime Minister saying Delhi could face power crisis. And that PM intervention is needed on this. This is the Chief Minister now also quickly writing a letter to the Prime Minister. Remember, Mirana told you a few days ago how the nation was possibly staring at a power crisis due to a massive coal shortage which is currently going on in our country. Let's go across to Alok for more details. Alok, what exactly is the status? Will there for sure be power outages, or right now does it depend on how much electricity people of Delhi use?
Well, Avni, we cannot say that how it will happen after 1 month, because remember, it's a winter time is coming. And the season of winter, the use of electricity becomes low as far as the North India is concerned, and especially Delhi is concerned. So the ministries and in fact the authorities are expecting that the use and the demand will definitely be decreased. So this problem will be sorted out, but definitely this is a huge problem. If there is the shortage of coal across the country, and it is now impacting the national capital. In fact, today in northwest Delhi, specifically in northwest Delhi, because there are various power supply companies. These are the power supply companies, private power supply companies, and in northwest Delhi there is a Tata Power company. They have sent the messages to the consumers stating that they have to use the electricity judiciously because there is the shortage of coal in their power plant. So and they have requested the people to use it less. So that and in fact they have given the time from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. The supply will be the shortage of supply will be witnessed. As of now, we have not got reports that there is a power cut, but definitely in the coming 1 or 2 days there will be power cut, and that is why Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, has written to the Prime Minister suspecting that not only in northwest Delhi, in other parts of Delhi will also be the similar kind of pattern will be seen in the coming days if the coal supply, the shortage of coal supply will remain like this as it is. Back to you.
Yes, in fact, let me just, also read out that text message that many of our Delhi viewers, the Tata Power consumers, would have got. And the SMS says, due to limited coal availability in generation plants across North, power supply scenario between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. is at critical level. Kindly use electricity judiciously, be a responsible citizen, and when inconvenience caused is regretted. Alok, this is of course the one aspect. But what is the Chief Minister expecting from the central government? Have you understand the CM has written to the Prime Minister?
Yes, Tanvi, let me read out what is the letter says. Basically, he has written a letter which is 2 pages, which is having 2 pages, and first page that is written that yes, there is a shortage, and in national capital the power supply comes by 2 ways. That one is the coal. A coal plant supplies the power, and the second is the gas plant supplies the power. So he is saying that Delhi Chief Minister is saying that because of the shortage of coal in the coal plants, now the whole the gas plants are now being in heavy shortage, and in fact the burden has increased in the gas plants. So that is what he has mentioned. In fact, 2-3 things he has written in the letter. That one is that adequate coal may be diverted. What he wanted and what he want to convince from the central government. Adequate coal may be diverted from other plants to plants like Dadri and Jhajjar, because these are the 2 plants. And Dadri and Jhajjar are located in Dadri in Uttar Pradesh and Jhajjar in Haryana, nearby districts of Delhi. APM gas may be allocated to plants like Bhawana, Pragati 1 and GTPS supplying power to Delhi. Adequate quantity of NAPM gas be supplied to power stations in Delhi. And the third point, he is also requesting that maximum rate of power sold in any slot through the exchange currently at rupees 20 per unit may be suitably capped to discourage profiteering by traders, generators from the center crisis. So these are the 3 points he has mentioned in his letter. We have to wait that what the central government will say on this and how will they tackle the situation, because this is not the situation of Delhi. This is the situation witnessed in across the country as well. In fact, I have just come to R.K. Singh, who is a Union Minister of Power, and he is not available. He is presently in the meeting with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his residence. But definitely we will ask this question and we'll try to contact him too. Back to you.
Okay, so we're going to keep a close track on that. And remember, let me also tell our viewers that Power Minister R.K. Singh earlier this week did speak about this. He did say that there is, a serious issue at hand. It's a very touch and go situation. That was the phrase he used, touch and go. Which means that on literally a day-to-day basis, they're looking at a coal situation, coal availability situation in various thermal power plants, and basis the ones which will be running low, they will have to then divert the coal there on priority. Now, if the problem is specifically right now for the power stations that cater to the national capital, who've completely run out of stocks or are almost on zero level stocks, then the governments will have to work together to resolve that issue as well, while warning people and asking people to use power judiciously as well. Alok, we'll keep coming back to you, of course, and if we get a reaction from R.K. Singh, we'll bring that to our viewers as well. Thanks for joining us for now.